Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the towering mountains, lived a group of diverse residents known as the Villagers of Unity. Each villager was unique, possessing their own set of talents and skills that made the village thrive. The villagers' leader, a wise old man named Elder Zion, had a dream. He dreamt of a day when the villagers would work together, combining their individual talents to create something truly extraordinary. He knew that by using the powerful word each, they could achieve anything. One day, Elder Zion gathered the villagers and shared his dream. "My dear friends," he began, "I have a vision. A vision of a day when we work together, combining our unique talents to create something unimaginable. This, my friends, is the power of each." The villagers were intrigued. They had never thought about their talents in such a unified way before. Some were excellent farmers, others were skilled blacksmiths, and a few were talented musicians. Each one had their role, but they had never considered working together. Elder Zion saw their uncertainty and reassured them, "Fear not, my friends. Each of you has a crucial role to play. Together, we can create a symphony of skills, a harmony that will echo throughout the mountains and beyond." And so, the villagers began to work together. The farmers cultivated the fields, the blacksmiths crafted tools, and the musicians played melodies that inspired and uplifted the workers. Each day, they worked a little more together, learning from each other, and growing stronger as a community. Their unity did not go unnoticed. Word spread of the harmonious village, and travelers from afar came to see the wonders of the Villagers of Unity. They marveled at the lush fields, the sturdy tools, and the enchanting music. The villagers had never been prouder of their community. One traveler, a wise old woman named Sage Celine, approached Elder Zion and shared her admiration. "Your village is a testament to the power of each," she said. "By working together, you have created something truly extraordinary. You have shown that unity is the key to success." Elder Zion smiled, proud of his village and the lesson they had learned. "Indeed, Sage Celine," he replied. "Each one of us is unique, but together, we are unstoppable. We have discovered the magic of each." And so, the Villagers of Unity continued to thrive, a shining example of unity and collaboration. They knew that by using the word each, they could accomplish anything, and they lived their lives with that belief in their hearts. The end.